Okay, we're here trying to enter Slowjamastan. They've got their sign up here, and then there's a sign that's saying it's an independent sovereign nation and the Slowjamastan passport and customs laws apply. So it looks like the Border Patrol is not active right now, so we're going to try to sneak in through the front gate. Boy, there are a lot of scary signs around here though. Okay, we're driving along the road right now. Looks like there's a sign up ahead. Uh-oh. Danger landmines. This could be scary. Oh, welcome to Upper Palmerston. Okay, that must be a different part of Slowjamastan. Okay, the landmines, man, that's got me freaked out though. I think we'll stick to the roads. Looks like we've got a booth up ahead. This is maybe where the passport and border patrol is located. Slowjamastan, they could use a little work on their roads. I mean, I hate to complain or anything like that, but you know, you'd think you're a big, huge country. You might be able to afford something like blacktop, maybe. Okay, here we come up to the customs booth. Let's see. Probably armed customs guards here. Uh-oh, stop. Oh yeah, oh God. Scary, scary signs. Stop, register with the border police here. Oh man, but I don't see any. And it looks like we can go on. And it says no pedestrians. Aha, they don't have a no drone sign on. Sorry, Slowjamastan, I think we're going to do some flying here. All right, so there's no border patrol around here from Slowjamastan, so I'm going to risk it all. And God, I hope there are no landmines here. Every step could be my last. They have warned me. But I've got to see what is here. Oh my goodness, there's a picture of the dictator of Slowjamastan. Wow, this is a thrill of a lifetime right here. They don't have a flag up. That's really disappointing. I mean, you know, you got your own country here. Come on, dudes. Where's your flag? Well, we gotta welcome this Dublandia. I thought we were in Slowjamastan. Okay. All right. I was declared independent on December 1st, 2021. It's the United Territories of the Sovereign Nation of the People's Republic of Slowjamastan. There's a phone booth. The dear leader welcoming us to Dublandia. Alright, well, I haven't stepped in any landmines so far, so I think we're okay. But you never know. Probably should get the drone out just in case the CIA would like some footage and just kind of check out this country in case they have to invade it sometime. So I think I'll fly my drone a bit if I make it back to the car alive, because there are landmines around the road. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Can you say that again, please? It is very windy. This is great. Oh God, this is freaking